welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna use the Kuppet washer and spin dryer. It's 2-in-1. It's twin. I'm gonna connect the hose to the where the water is gonna go right in, and connect that to my faucet like this. My faucet is connected to the faucet. I'm gonna open it. You can see. I'm gonna do my clothes. So not doing too many wash today, so that I'm adding my laundry soap just a little bit. Don't use too much. See that? Still clean up while I add the rest of the sauce that I need to add. Just add it. Just keep adding like that. And this is fine. Just like this. And add the rest. You can see. Fill it up. 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 See? I'm gonna shut it off now. I shut it off, and then it's done filling up. I'm gonna put it on normal. Ready, people? So let's see. Now put a cycle. I want it to be like it's a normal. Now I want it to be like let's see, 50 minutes. So all the way here. There we go. I want to add a little more soup. I think it was too small. You don't want to put too much soup because when it's time to rinse it, I don't want to go through that. So I wash it just one time.